Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a rear windshield wiper. First, gather your tools, including a small flathead screwdriver and the new wiper blade. You'll need to identify if your wiper arm has a clip or a tab release mechanism. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy replacement. Let's get started and get that rear visibility clear again. To remove the old wiper, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass, as this could cause damage. It should come off with minimal effort. Now let's install the new wiper blade. Take your new blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. You're almost done. After installation, it's crucial to test your new rear wiper. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. Check for any streaks or missed spots, confirming full contact. A properly installed wiper provides clear visibility and enhances safety. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.